Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your remote not working on your Amazon Fire Stick or TV. So the first thing you want to do is simply just unplug this from the wall outlet. So I'm just going to unplug everything at the same time here from flipping the button on my TV. Now, what I'm going to do is go over to my remote, and I want to reset the remote. So we want to press the back button, the button with 3 lines, and this left dial button. So let's do all that at the same time. 1, 2, 3, hold it down. And hold it down for about 15 seconds. So you can count out loud in your head, 1, 2, and 3, and so on until you get to about 15. And after that, your remote should have reset. And we're gonna need to reconnect this to our TV now. So it's been about 15 seconds. I'm gonna let go of the back button, this button, and the left dial button. Then remove the batteries. So let's remove the batteries right here. And then go on over to your TV now, and I'm just gonna turn this back on. All right. So turn on your TV, turn on your Fire Stick, plug everything back in. So on my Fire TV, I just have to press this button underneath, and I think that should turn on my TV. And when your TV is booting up, I can see the light on now. Wait until it gets to the home screen for your Fire Stick. And then we want to go back on over to our remote. So I removed the batteries, and then I'm going to place the batteries back in. So I got the batteries right here removed. I'm going to wait for my TV to boot up to the home screen where we can see the Fire Stick like home screen, and then we can place these batteries back in. Now usually after about 5 minutes, maybe a little bit less, it's going to open up a screen where it says your remote is not detected, and that's usually when my remote is reconnected and everything works again. So I can see it loading, so I'm gonna just plug this in right now, and then I'm gonna press the home button multiple times and see if I can get this to connect. Now hold down the home button, and you'll notice that the Fire Stick will enter the Bluetooth pairing mode. It's gonna blink orange like multiple times. So if you just continue to hold this down, there it is, it's blinking, and it's gonna try to connect to your Amazon Fire TV. So if it's not, just do this like 2 or 3 different times, and it should reconnect for you. Usually it takes until this screen pops up that says no remote connected, and that's usually when it works for me. I just have to press the middle dial button right here and the home button, and it usually works. So just give it some time. That screen will pop up if nothing is detected. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.